Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2015 Kia Soul. SX version has a 2-liter engine, gas direct injection, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. That green sign you see in the upper right says the car is qualified under the Kia Certified Pre-Owned program. There are many features and benefits to the purchaser of this vehicle under that program. Check with our business manager for details. As you see on this Soul, we have some fog lights, we have machined wheels, we have signal repeaters in the mirrors, and that absolutely gorgeous green color. Be the star of your neighborhood. Come home with a green Soul. Having a look inside the car, power windows, locks, and mirrors. We have a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel. On the steering wheel itself, we have audio and cruise controls as well as other functions for the car. We only have 45,866 kilometers on this Soul, very low for a 2015. Climbing into the car, we have navigation.
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
Sirius
Route guidance
XM radio. And that was the navigation talking to me. And of course we have a backup camera in the Soul. Down below you have heated and cooled front seats, leather surfaces. Down below that we have an auxiliary USB port with a couple of 12-volt charging ports. And we have push-button start. Up above we have a control panel. And I'm going to show you the panoramic sunroof here in a minute. You'll notice that driver's heated leather seat is also powered. In the rear, we have heated leather seats again. And there's the heater button right there on the door. Plenty of room back here for your family or guests or whoever you happen to be driving around at the moment. Those are also a 60-40 split rear seat, and they will fold down and give you more cargo space. There's shot of the back, plenty of room back here. So remember, this absolutely beautiful green 2015 Soul SX trim level is located at West Coast Kia, and we're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge. There's a picture of that gorgeous panoramic sunroof that I mentioned earlier, and I forgot to shoot from the other side. So come down and see us. The best way to make an informed decision is to drive the car. If you're considering looking at a Soul, it's a beautiful unit, pretty low on kilometers, and it's over here at West Coast Kia in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge.